Hey everyone! Today let's dive into the basics of a term you might have heard floating around: affiliate marketing. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a way to make money online by promoting products or services from the other companies. When you recommend a product and someone buys it using your special link, you earn a commission on that sale. It's like getting a referral bonus for helping a company make a sale. Here's how it works. First, you sign up for an affiliate program, which is where a company gives you a unique link to share. Second, you then promote that link maybe on a blog, social media, or a YouTube channel. Third, when someone clicks your link and buys something, the company knows you sent them and rewards you with a percentage of the sale as a thank you. Why do people choose affiliate marketing? It's a popular option because you don't need to create your own product. There's no need to handle customer service or shipping. You can choose products that fit your audience and interests, making it a flexible and a scalable income stream. Quick tip for beginners. If you're just starting out, choose products or services that you genuinely like and know about. That way, it feels more natural to recommend them and your audience will trust you more. So that's a quick look at affiliate marketing. It's all about sharing products you believe in and earning rewards for your referrals. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more beginner tips on affiliate marketing.